Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Buck Lodge Middle School, home of the Vikings in Adelphi, Maryland. This is my second visit to their campus. Beautiful day, beautiful afternoon. Got to speak to all the seventh graders here in the cafeteria, and we focused on diversity this time around for the primary theme, and the sub-theme was Need Human Kindness, which you see on my shirt, logo that my friend and I designed a few years back. See the peace sign inside the heart, that's where peace has to begin. There's also two people inside the heart, because kindness isn't just about showing it to ourselves, we have to show it to others as well. And we always have to choose unconditional love. That's love without any conditions, that if somebody's taller than us, shorter than us, skinnier than us, wider than us, if they're, different skin color or not, if they wear glasses or not, if they're disabled or not, if they have money or don't have money, we can always choose to show that unconditional love. And the students really got that today. There were a lot of pin drop moments through the different heartfelt stories, the positive hip hop, the inspirational videos, the picture slides that reinforce all the anecdotes that I share, and just some of them that shared their heart with me after, telling me that they had a connection with something that I talked about. And I love, to kind of get the wheels turning, especially as it relates to kindness, respect, compassion, inclusion. This being the month of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., we talked about the quote that ties into content of our character. And we know that character and the content of it is really who you are as a person, your heart, your actions, your words, how you treat yourself and others. And hopefully we're doing things that people want to remember us for, right? And so many times, sometimes the only thing people do remember you for is your heart, or want to remember you for is your heart. But again, only if we're doing positive things for this planet. Like it says here, in a world where you can be anything, we have the choice each and every day, the decision to be kind. No matter what we've gone through, will go through, are going through currently, we always have this ability to rise above the hate and hopefully, choose more love. Right? This world definitely needs a lot more of it. And, just for me, this topic is so close to my heart. When we're talking about an appreciation of diversity is our differences. It could be on the outside, how we're born, how we walk, how we talk, how we see, how we learn, how we hear, the clothes we wear, the foods we eat, the languages that we speak. We have to definitely honor everything on the outer of someone, but also what's on the inner. Right? So our skills, our talents, our abilities, our gifts, we have to really respect all of that as well. And if we do, we start to see things change, right? That we are being that change, leading that change that we want to see for this planet, right? And so to know that we can make a difference each and every day, that just one act of kindness is how we start to change this world. We know that we can be all in, that we have to be all in, and that even making an impact right here at school, in our own community, the people around us, our friends, our classmates, our teachers, our coaches, the adults in our life, in our neighborhoods, we all can play our part to make this world a brighter place, right? And diversity is so important too, because if we're all the same, it'd be very boring. But the fact that we're all unique and beautiful is what makes schools like this so amazing, right? And if we are able to embrace our differences, right, we can learn from them, we can grow from them, right? We can teach each other, not just the subject matter that you learn in the classroom or in the books, but it's that heart knowledge too, right? We're all from different walks of life, different backgrounds, and we can resist it and struggle, or we can choose to have it be a huge part of our lives and understand how it can make us better because of that. So thanks for touching my heart. It was a beautiful afternoon. It was an honor to be back here again to share my heart. Hopefully something touched yours. If it did, keep shining that light that I know all of you are capable of doing. Have a great rest of the school year for now. Hope to see you again soon. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.